From the mountains of Gilgit and KPK to the plains of Punjab, from the deserts of Baluchistan to the coastline of Sindh, Pakistan students share one aspiration: access to quality higher education. HEC, with the support of TMC, a strategic technology partner, created Maktab, which has the ability to digitize the tasks of a busy university back office. Maktab makes that aspiration accessible. Through a single national digital admission portal, students from across Pakistan can apply to universities and programs of their choice anytime, from anywhere. For students, Maktab is like entering a digital environment that offers maximum convenience. From the moment a university grants admission to the time students receive their HEC degrees, all through the same Maktab portal. Maktab integrates secure online and over-the-counter fee payments through leading commercial banks. With Rust integration, in coordination with the State Bank of Pakistan, students benefit from fast, secure, and zero-cost digital payments. For universities, Maktab replaces manual paperwork with intelligent rule engines. Merit lists are generated digitally, accurate, transparent, and aligned with institutional policies. Maktab is the most comprehensive ERP SLCS solution, tailored to individual universities and their unique processes with ease, ensuring maximum efficiency and seamless connectivity both locally and internationally. Once a student enters university, their unique user ID facilitates every step of their learning journey. Maktab, along with HEC's LMS solutions, empowers students like never before in Pakistan, enabling them to manage courses, certifications, accolades, and degrees digitally. Maktab's student lifecycle management system supports the diverse academic landscape of Pakistan: engineering, medical sciences, arts and design, agriculture, veterinary, allied health, and beyond. From outcome-based education aligned with the Washington and Sydney Accords to complex ward rotations in teaching hospitals for medical disciplines, Maktab adapts to every field. Learning is powered through Maktab's integrated learning management system, Blackboard, one of the world's leading LMS platforms. Assignments, quizzes, presentations, grading, and academic interaction are fully digital. Maktab is a significant part of Pakistan's national digital higher education infrastructure, facilitated and supported by Astrolabe's data centers and As-Sadim cloud-ready solutions, at par with mainstream global cloud platforms. Attendance is recorded digitally. Assessments are entered securely. Results and gazettes are generated directly from the system. Maktab covers every aspect that enhances the higher education experience for students across the country, as long as they study at a Maktab-enabled university. Through the Maktab student portal, learners access a complete ecosystem of services: hostels, transport, events, complaints and grievances, library systems, and alumni management. The alumni platform bridges academia and industry, tracking graduate outcomes and employment pathways. From admission to graduation, Maktab completes the student journey. Beyond academics, Maktab strengthens university governance through a fully integrated SAP-based ERP ecosystem. Financial accounting and controlling, human capital management, supply chain management, enterprise asset management, and development projects are managed transparently through SAP-based ERP ecosystem. Faculty and staff hiring is managed through Maktab's online recruitment portal. Performance management aligns with quality enhancement cell standards. Procurement processes are digitized and aligned for integration with the EPAC acquisition and disposal system, in compliance with provincial and federal public procurement regulatory authorities. Maktab transforms institutional data into strategic intelligence for university leadership and policymakers. Real-time dashboards empower leaders to make informed, evidence-based decisions to improve governance. Maktab plays a key role in identifying and fulfilling future workforce needs, both locally and internationally. Pakistan will soon be able to harness its abundant human capital into highly sought-after professionals who will shape the future, not just for Pakistan, but for the world. Universities that have already adopted Maktab have achieved a significant competitive edge as operational efficiency continues to increase while operational costs decrease. Maktab offers complete integration of students, universities, and HEC, enabling stronger local and global engagement and collaboration with leading universities worldwide. Maktab is more than a system. It is an integral part of the National Digital Foundation of Pakistan's higher education landscape, empowering students, strengthening institutions, enabling data-driven governance. Maktab, a gateway to digital learning. A step closer to digital Pakistan. Get your university. Maktab enabled now by visiting pern.edu.pk.